Isang mapagpalang araw, grade 7. Ngayong araw, gagabayan ko kayo sa pagsagot ng inyong Activity 1 in which entitled Metric and Standard Units Conversion. Before we move to the first example, we have to keep in mind these rules. To change from one unit to another, we have here kilometer for km, HM for hectometer, DAM for decameter, M for meter, DM for decimeter, cm for centimeter, and mm for millimeter. If the movement is from left to right, and there are 3 places of movement, we multiply it by 1,000. If there are 2 places of movement only, we multiply it by 100. If the movement is 1 place only, we multiply it by 10. So let's proceed to the first example. Convert 89 kilometer to meter. Kilometer to meter. How many places of movement? 3 places of movement. So we multiply it by 1,000. So 89 times 1,000, the answer is 89,000 meter. Next example. Convert 12 meter to centimeter. There are 2 places of movement, so multiplied by 100. 12 times 100, the answer is 1,200 centimeter. How about the third example? Convert 548 centimeter to millimeter. How many movement? 1 place of movement. So we're going to multiply it by 10. 548 times 10, the answer is 5,480 millimeter. So take note that the operation that we use is multiplication. How about the next rule? In changing from one unit to another and the movement is from right to left, the operation that we're going to use is division. So we divide it by 10. If there are 2 places of movement, divided by 100. If there are 3 places of movement, then we divide it by 1,000. So let's begin with the first example. Convert 89,000 meter to kilometer. How many movement is that? 3 movement. So divided by 1,000. 89,000 divided by 1,000. The answer is 89 kilometer, I should say. Next example. Convert 1,200 centimeter to meter. How many movement? 2 places of movement. So divided by 100. 1,200 divided by 100, the answer will be 12 meter. And the last example is convert 5,480 millimeter to centimeter. So using this again, how many places of movement? 1 place of movement only. Divided by 10. 5,480 divided by 10. The answer is 548 centimeter. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next virtual instruction. Thank you!